Pick Your Path is a mentorship program for Black youth. It's something that I think has been lacking in our community.
I really like being a mentor, the fact that I could connect with a younger person and show them the ropes of going through, thinking of pursuing your studies, doing your research.
I really love that Pick Your Path exposed them to Black dentists, Black professionals in all these different fields. Representation matters.
Having a mentor was sort of like having a fairy godmother in a sense.
If you're thinking about Pick Your Path, I would say it's an opportunity not to miss.
Students specifically who are wanting to get into this program next year, what I would really say is to go for it because you gain so much knowledge.
It gives us all a sense of, you know something, there are options out there for our children and for ourselves as people of color.